Today I am reviewing the KitchenAid KSM8990CU 8-Quart Commercial Countertop Mixer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The KitchenAid KSM8990CU 8-Quart Commercial Countertop Mixer is a true heavy-duty machine designed for serious baking, cooking, and even light commercial use. This isn't just a standard home mixer. It's built to handle large batches, tough doughs, and extended mixing sessions with consistent performance and durability. Starting with performance, this mixer is powered by a high-efficiency DC motor, which is one of its biggest advantages. Unlike traditional motors that can overheat during long mixing tasks, this motor is designed to run longer with minimal heat buildup. That means whether you're kneading thick bread dough, whipping large batches of cream, or mixing dense batters, the mixer maintains steady power without slowing down or struggling. The motor also provides excellent torque, which is essential for handling heavy ingredients without stalling. The gear-driven system is another key highlight. Instead of relying on belt-driven mechanisms, this mixer uses a gear-driven design, which ensures durability and efficient power transfer. This translates into more consistent mixing performance and a longer lifespan, making it ideal for users who bake frequently or in large quantities. One of the standout features of this model is its 8-quart stainless steel bowl. This large capacity allows you to prepare big batches of dough, batter, or mixtures in a single go. Whether you're baking multiple loaves of bread, preparing large batches of cookies, or mixing ingredients for events or gatherings, this mixer can handle it without needing to split your work into smaller portions. The stainless steel construction also ensures durability, easy cleaning, and long-term reliability. The bowl lift design is another feature that sets this mixer apart. Instead of tilting the head like smaller mixers, this model uses a bowl lift mechanism, which provides greater stability, especially when working with heavy mixtures. The lever smoothly raises the bowl into position, ensuring strong and consistent contact between the beater and ingredients. This design is especially useful when working with thick or dense mixtures, as it prevents wobbling and keeps everything stable during operation. With 10-speed control, this mixer gives you precise control over your mixing tasks. Lower speeds are perfect for gently combining ingredients, while higher speeds are ideal for whipping and aerating mixtures. This flexibility allows you to handle a wide range of recipes with accuracy and consistency. Whether you're slowly folding in ingredients or whipping cream to perfection, the speed control ensures you get the exact results you want. Another important feature is the speed control protection. This adds an extra layer of safety by reducing the risk of accidentally turning on the mixer while cleaning or adjusting it. It's a thoughtful addition that makes the mixer safer to use in busy kitchens, especially in commercial or high-traffic environments. The design and build quality of this mixer reflect its commercial-grade nature. The contour silver finish gives it a sleek, professional look that fits well in both home and commercial kitchens. It's built to withstand heavy use, and its solid construction ensures long-term durability. While it is larger and heavier than typical home mixers, that's expected given its capacity and power. In real-world use, the KitchenAid KSM8990CU truly shines when handling large or demanding tasks. Baking enthusiasts, professional chefs, or anyone who frequently works with large quantities will appreciate how reliable and efficient this machine is. It takes the effort out of mixing, kneading, and whipping, allowing you to focus more on creativity and precision in your recipes. The 8-quart capacity is especially beneficial for those who bake in bulk. If you run a small bakery, prepare large family meals, or simply enjoy making large batches of baked goods, this mixer will save you significant time and effort. It reduces the need for multiple mixing cycles, which improves efficiency in both home and commercial settings. However, it's important to note that this is a large and powerful machine, so it does take up more counter space compared to standard mixers. It's also heavier, which means it's not something you'll want to move around frequently. But in return, you get unmatched stability and performance. Another thing to consider is that this mixer is designed for serious users. If you only bake occasionally or in small quantities, this level of power and capacity may be more than you need. But for frequent bakers or professionals, it is absolutely worth the investment. In conclusion, The KitchenAid KSM8990CU 8-quart commercial countertop mixer is a powerhouse built for performance, durability, and efficiency. It combines a high-efficiency motor, gear-driven system, large capacity, and advanced safety features into a reliable and professional-grade appliance. If you're looking for a mixer that can handle heavy workloads, large batches, and long mixing sessions without compromise, this is one of the best options available. It delivers consistent results, exceptional power, and long-term reliability, making it a standout choice for both serious home bakers and commercial kitchens alike.